Hey, what's going on, guys? Phil here from Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube. Quick update for you for the giveaway we got going on. If you want to win a set of free ARKON Off-Road wheels, a free set of tires, and a free lift from rough country, you can enter right now on the website, customoffsets.com/giveaways, or just head out to the homepage. We got it on there too. Scroll down, click on it. Super cool giveaway. One of the biggest ones we've ever done. Plus, at the end of this, we're making a contribution to the Gary Sinise Foundation, which is great. Help out some veterans there. Spin her back around. So it's a limited production shirt. That's the easiest way to get entered to win. You pick up the shirt, you're entered, and you just come up to the website to do that. And it's a limited production item, like I said, so that means when they're gone, they're gone. We've already sold a whole bunch of them, and the contest only runs until March 27th, so you only have about a month left to get entered to win.